So Mindy asks, is collagen in coffee okay? And this is in the context of our optimizing protein talk. So I think an implied here is collagen going to disrupt a fast or does collagen contribute to muscle protein synthesis? And I think that's a really, really great question. So I pulled up some numbers here and I tried to keep things as equal as possible. So here we have enough beef to equate to 26 grams of total protein and enough collagen to equate to 26 grams of total protein. Um, Now, if we look at the amino acid profile here, leucine in beef, we're hitting that above 2 grams of leucine necessary to stimulate muscle protein synthesis. And then, of course, we have all the other amino acids that contribute to that. If we look at collagen, it's very low in leucine. Right here we have 0.8 grams for this total of 26 grams of protein. Now, depending on which collagen product you're using, sometimes it contains all 9 of the essential amino acids, and sometimes it's lacking tryptophan. So there's another tick against collagen as far as stimulating muscle protein synthesis, but it's a plus if we're thinking in terms of using it during a fast. So to summarize, with collagen and fasting, collagen does not stimulate muscle protein synthesis. It does not stimulate mTOR. It does initiate some digestive effort, so theoretically it would not be the cleanest fast that you could do. And it does interfere with autophagy. But for the purposes of what most people are looking for when it comes to fasting, it is not. It is still allowing you to be in a fat burning state. It still allows you to get into ketosis. So we'd say that collagen is totally fine for fasting and fat burning and ketosis. And so if it's one of those things where collagen is extremely important to get into the diet, and we think it's extremely beneficial to supplement with. And so if collagen in your coffee is the way that you can get collagen in, I think the advantages and the pluses outweigh these minor negatives of initiating a little bit of digestive effort and interfering a little bit with autophagy. Okay, so collagen fasting, totally cool. If you wanted to be really clean with it, you would just have fasting that incorporated like coffee and water, and you'd have the collagen around your main meals.